Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing a box of 13-14 SP game used. Last team sold was the Winnipeg Jets, and that was sold at 20:05 Eastern. We'll go to the eBay time, refresh it up. So it's 1900 Pacific and 2200 Eastern, 2300 good old Nova Scotia time. Okay. Here's our list of winners and their respective teams. Lee Jeff picked up a bunch of teams. Looks like you're new to eBay. I hope all goes well. Stars Cards 10. Got a bunch. A few people got a bunch, or a few anyway. Break 29. Serial number 5833. 29. So 5833 would be right there. That's our box. I really don't know when my next break will be. I think it'll be probably next Saturday, I'm thinking. I'm going to cut back. I've just been doing too many, got too much stuff on the go, so take it easy for a while and just putter at it. If I can. Sometimes that's hard. Well, there you have her. Okay, good luck, everybody. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, who incidentally lost tonight, a game, 89-48 Grant. Got Morgan Riley. I don't know what they've got to do to get their mojo back. Something for sure. Started off so well, or so good rather. And for the Boston Bruins, we got Lucic and Marchand. And Boston won tonight, by the way. They got their mojo back, it seems. So it seems. Heavy duty spacers in those. Base pack. I don't remember seeing base packs. Let me just check for numbers on that. Yeah. Base pack. There you go. Probably have two hits in this one then. Oh. For the Boston Bruins, we got Dougie Hamilton. Draft day marks. And that's 28 out of 35. Pretty sweet. And last pack. There's our double hit. Jean Gabriel Pageau for the Ottawa Senators. Stars Cards 10. Authentic rookie. Auto. On tape auto. Going out to the Senators. Congratulations, Stars Cards. Then, for Stars Cards again, back-to-back hits, Mike Richards. For the Kings, Authentic Fabrics. And that's such nice, flashy. And that's all she wrote. There you have it, folks. Thanks very much. Appreciate it. hopefully you'll get in on my break next week. Like I say, just have a look around and see what's there. You can also check out my store on eBay. It's Bruce's Box Breaks, of course. Yeah, till I see you next time, have a good one. Happy bidding.